halamang nakakagaling. Alam niyo ba? Ilay, ano yung halaman na nakakagaling?
Eddie, transplant.
Yay! Sabi ko, at effective na yung transplant, matalino itong batang ito. Anyway, today is the celebration of the lives that were given another chance. It is the celebration of families who endured fear, long hospital stays, and difficult waiting periods, who are now able to stand together once again with hope for the future. Commonly, most Filipinos would go to India because the cost of liver transplantation there is 2.1 million pesos. But here, it was 5 million pesos prior to this agreement. But after, when Stewart came in, he said, I'll lower it by 50%. So it's down to 2.4, around that for that level. And if you think about that, 2.4 versus 2.1, plus the cost of travel being there, actually, it makes no sense why we should go and send our kids to India. This operation should be done in the Philippines. And I will fully support that they be done in the Philippines. You mentioned kidney transplantation has PhilHealth Z benefits. So we're now working, Lisa has talked to Edwin Mercado, the president of PhilHealth. I chair the benefits committee. So whatever benefit package, I think this should be about, kasi 1.7 sa kidney. 1.7 million. So pwede na 2 million? Pwede na 2 million?
Double, at least.
So if we get that transplant, even the immunosuppression for kidney transplant is paid for 40,000 a month. So I do hope we can pass this while I'm still Secretary of Health and Chairman of the Board of PhilHealth. And this will definitely help 144 patients with biliary atresia a year. So we can actually take care of that. I think the money of PhilHealth can cover that. Billions ang pera ng PhilHealth. So today, as we celebrate this first birthday of the TMC Rizal Medical Joint Liver Transplant Program, we honor the courage, compassion, and commitment that made these second chances possible.